Now we learn exercise 7.2. Okay, now question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -17 and 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2 proportional 3. Okay, so here we find the coordinates of this point which is divide this joining, it means this lining point. Okay, line segment in ratio to proportional. If we decide these points as a and b. Okay, so answer number 1. Okay, so now here you see, okay, answer 1, let the required points be p into bracket xy. Okay, whichever we require this point, x coordinate and y coordinate, and let the points are a into bracket -17 and b into bracket 4 minus 3, and the ratio is given here 2 proportional 3. It means m proportional n is equal to, so m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Okay, so now we decide here, as per we decide the points. So here x1 y1 x2 y2 we decide here. Here -17, that is x1 y1, and 4 and -3, it is x2 y2. So first coordinate of this point P. So x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So as per we put the value, m we have, n we have, x1 we have, and x2 we have. Okay, so m is equal to 2, x2 4, plus n is equal to 3, x1 minus 1 upon m plus n, it means 2 plus 3. So 8 minus 3 upon 5, it means 5 upon 5 is x is equal to 1. As like we find y of p, so my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, so we complete here as per the explanation. Okay, so here 2 into bracket -3 plus 3 7 into bracket 7, 2 plus 3 minus 6 plus 21. If we open this bracket upon 5, then 15 upon 5, the y is equal to 3. Okay, hello, so here the required points is 2 3. Okay, this point divide the line segment in ratio 2 proportional 3. Okay, so it is first answer. Now question number 2. So it is, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 and -2 minus 3. Okay, here we find the coordinates of the point of trisection. It means here we are doing trisection of the line segment. Okay, when we join this point 4 minus 1 and -2 minus 3. Okay, so after then we divide here 3 part. Trisection means 3 part. Okay, first part, second part, and 3 part. Then we find these points of coordinates. Okay, coordinates of this point. Okay, so now answer number 2. Okay, so here answer number 2. Suppose we decide here, okay, let the points be a is equal to a into bracket 4 minus 1 and b into bracket -2 minus 3. Okay, and let the points p and q trisect ab. It means this a and b points of line segment. So after then we divide this line segment in trisection. It means here p and q trisect this line segment in the form of ap is equal to pb, pq is equal to qb. Okay, so here I drawn this figure. Okay, here line segment a and b. After when we divide this line segment in trisection, it means first part, second part, and third part by the point p and q. Okay, and they are all equal. So ap is equal to, okay, as per here written, pq is equal to qb. So all are 1 1 1. This part distance is 1, this part distance is 1, this part distance is 1. Okay, So after then, hello, we find the coordinates of P and then Q. Okay. So first here we decide let P divides line segment AB. Okay, this AB in the ratio 1 proportional to. How can? Okay, here A to P, because P divide this line segment AB. Okay, we not talk about Q, so only P we take. So here P. So from A, look, from A to P 1 and from P to B there is 1 and 1 2. So that's why our ratio is 1 proportional 2. And Q divides AB in the ratio 2 proportional 1. Now Q we take. So before Q there is 2 parts. So 2 proportional 1. Okay. So like that we decide the ratio. And now we find the coordinates of P and Q. So here let the coordinates of P into bracket xy. So x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So here 1 into bracket minus 2 plus 2 into bracket into bracket 4. As per we decide here x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay. So 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay. We put here value. So we get here x is equal to 2. Okay, when we open this bracket, 1 minus 2 ja minus 2 plus 4 2 ja, hello, 8. So here plus 8 and 1 plus 2 3. So 6 upon 3 means 2x is equal to 2. Okay, now as like, hello, y coordinate. Okay, so here y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Okay. So as like, hello, 1 into bracket minus 3 plus 2 into bracket minus 1 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 2, okay, upon 3, then minus 3 and minus 2 minus 5 upon 3. So this is y coordinate, okay, of point P. So we write here let the required coordinates of P into bracket 2 means x value is here, there is we get 2, and now here y value we get here 1 minute. Okay, y minus 5 upon 3. So y we write here minus 5 upon 3. Okay, now here's like we find, hello, coordinates of Q. Now here Q divide the line segment B. So to let the coordinates of Q into bracket again xy. So here x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and as we decide, hello, x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, and here ratio for it, for Q ratio there is, hello, 2 proportional 1. So m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. Okay, so we use this value and find x and then y. So here 2 into bracket minus 2 plus 1 into bracket 4 as per this value upon m plus n means 2 plus 1. So minus 4 plus 4 upon 3, it means 0 upon 3. It means x is equal to 0. First coordinate here 0. Now as like y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. So here 2 into bracket minus 3 plus n into bracket minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. So minus 6 minus 1 upon 3. So we get here y is equal to minus 7 upon 3. So this is, hello, y value, and it here x value. Okay, x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 7 upon. So the required coordinate of Q into bracket 0 and minus 7 upon 3. So here's like we, hello, find the coordinates of P and Q when there is trisection. Okay, so this is answer number 2.